Welcome to PC Tricks Guru YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be going to install Windows 11 and then we'll check that what's new in Windows 11, how is it different from Windows 10 operating system, which was the previous release of Microsoft. And the build which I'll be installing right now will be the beta version, which was a leaked build of Windows 11, and Windows 11 has still to be released on 24th of June, so we'll have to wait for the final release. But if you want to know that what's new in Windows 11, let's go ahead and check that what's new here. So let me boot the device. I have created a virtual machine using the VMware, and let me boot the device with the ISO. So here you can see that the machine is booting now. You can see the Windows logo here. Now we have to select the language and then click on install, and you can see that Windows has several versions, the Windows 10 Home and Education. So I'll just install the Windows 10 Pro. Click on next and then click on new and create a partition of 68 gigs, then click next. Now the Windows installation, it has been started. You can see that Windows installation is going on. Now the Windows installation has been completed, and now it's setting up the first things. So on the first screen it will ask you to select the country, select United States, click on next, and then it will ask you to select the keyboard layout, click next. Then it will ask you to sign in with the Microsoft account, and before that we have to use it for the personal use. But here I do not want to sign in with the Microsoft account, so I'll just select the sign in options and then click on offline account. After clicking on the offline account, we'll have to select limited experience, and then it will ask you to enter the username. So type in your random username and click on next. Then type in your random password which you need to remember, and just set up some security answers for the password recovery. Here I'll just select no because I do not want any additional privacy settings for my device, and now it's setting up the Windows operating system. So Microsoft has included blue background color while setting up the device, which is really cool. Now you can see that we are on the desktop. So this is the desktop, and you can see that start menu, it has been, the taskbar, it's changed. Let's see the edition of the Windows, version of the Windows. So I'll just type WinVer, and you can see that it's Microsoft Windows developer version, and Windows 11 is there. So the taskbar, the icons are in the middle of the taskbar, everything is in center. The desktop background is different, icons look different. There is the recycle bin and Microsoft Edge shortcut on the desktop. So the icons on the taskbar also look new, and we have start button, search, everything is here. Right click on the file explorer and you'll be able to see the pinned icons there, and you can just click and drag and rearrange the icons within the taskbar. Now let's go ahead and click on the start button and check how does the start menu look. So click on start, and here is the start button. On the top right corner you have the option for all apps, and it will show the pinned applications in the start screen, if we call it. So there's Edge, Mail, Calculator, Microsoft Store, Photos, Settings, Office, Xbox, Solitaire is also there, and Spotify, Netflix. All the applications, you'll be able to see them here in the start menu. So now let me click on all apps, and you can see that it has all the applications listed alphabetically. You can scroll down and check the list of applications available. Click on back to go back to the start menu again. So from the top right, click back. Okay. At the bottom it will show you the recommended applications and the recently used files. So if you click on more, it will show you the more applications, not applications, the recently used files list. So click on back again. Now we can go and click on the search button, and it will show us this search, and it's similar to the Windows 10, but the layout is different. On the top you can type the search query and it will show you the results related to your search item. And here we have the option to create multiple desktops, so you can use the multiple desktops if you have multiple monitors attached to the computer. So click on new desktop and it will create a new desktop. If you want to close it, just click on the cross and then it will close the desktop. The next one is widgets, and if you click on the widgets, it will show you the widgets in a cool way. Weather, news, and some other widgets will be there, which you can access and scroll to go through. Now let's click on File Explorer and you will see that the icon colors have been changed. Some new icons have been added, so it's not the boring yellow icons for the Microsoft Windows components. So for desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music and videos, we have different colored icons, which looks really cool. On the top you can see the window adjustment options as well, so you can click on the tile to adjust the open window in accordance to the option that you clicked. Also, you can adjust the window by pressing the Windows and arrow keys. So if you press the Windows and left arrow, it will arrange the opened window in the left side of the screen, and the same will happen if you press the Windows and right arrow. The window will be arranged in the right side of the screen. So you can use all these features in the new Windows 11. Now let's have a look at the taskbar settings. So right click on the taskbar and click on taskbar settings and it will show the taskbar settings. So here you'll be able to see that which settings you want to enable or disable. There are several options and you may use them. They are just like Windows 10. There is no difference in the taskbar settings of Windows 11. You'll find all the options almost the same. The show desktop button is also there. If you click on that, it will minimize all the opened windows on the screen. Also, you can change the alignment of the taskbar. If you click on left, the start menu start button will be shifted to the left, just like Windows 10, and you can use all the icons from the left side of the screen. You can change the desktop background by clicking on background, and then you can select the wallpaper from the available list of wallpapers. So Windows 11 has pretty cool wallpapers as well. You may change the theme as well. You may use the dark theme, light theme, and the background, lock screen background can also be changed. So the default one is Windows Spotlight. You can change it to any other like picture or slideshow. These are the start and the taskbar settings. These are the device user settings. The Windows taskbar is also similar to the previous Windows 10 operating system. It will show you the running processes and you can see all the other options which were available in the Windows 10's taskbar. In the start menu you can find a very important option, which is Windows Tools. After clicking on Windows Tools, it will open the list of all the important tools that can be used to manage your Windows 11 operating system. So you have character map, command prompt, control panel, everything will be available there. The settings page is also same as the previous Windows 10 operating system. If we check the look of the Microsoft Store, that has also not been changed. It's similar to the previous Windows 10 operating system, and the Microsoft Store looks exactly the same as Windows 10, and I think that the new store layout will be rolled out soon when the Windows 10 will be released for public. So we just have to wait for the public release of Windows 11 operating system. So that's all for this video. I hope that all of you found the new features of Windows 11 interesting. Let's wait for the public release and then we'll see that what's new there. So we'll just stick to the launch and Thank you for visiting PC Tricks Guru, and have a good day. Bye bye.